how to send money with Lemfi. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can send money with Lemfi, so let's get started. Sending money through the Lemfi app is quick and seamless. Start by launching the app and tapping on the send icon from the home screen. Next, select the currency you'll be sending from, whether it's USD, CAD, or GBP, depending on your location and account setup. After that, choose the destination currency that your recipient will receive. Once the currencies are set, it's time to select your preferred payment method. Lemfi allows you to send funds either through a linked bank account or via mobile money transfer, depending on what works best for you and your recipient. Now, enter the recipient's information carefully. This includes their bank account number or mobile wallet details based on the method you selected. Take a moment to double check all entered details, especially the account information. Before completing the transaction, review the exchange rate, transaction fee, and total amount being sent. Once you're confident everything is accurate, simply tap send to finalize the transfer. That's it, and thanks. I'll catch you all in the next